Okay, so I'm going to start with this area right here that I'm actually going to close. As you can see, this is like an armoire, this is an armoire with just some things on there, and the TV is in there. We're actually going to put another TV in there, and we already have the TV. We just haven't put the TV up, but I usually keep this closed because I like the aesthetic with it closed. I just kind of keep it closed to keep it simplistic up in here. So anyway, here's a refrigerator, and we really don't have a need for a refrigerator in this room, but we couldn't find anybody to give it to, so I just go ahead and I put my water and things in there. So there's not much in there. So my water is in there, as well as my candy apple and my Valentine's Day candy. So this container right here contains makeup that I do plan on giving away, and then a drill back there, and on top of that there's a black shirt. And so then when I step back here is my angel tree, and yes, the angel tree will stay up the entire year. I moved her from where she was because I didn't want her as far as the backdrop in the video all the time, but I did move her to over here. And the reason why I didn't take this tree down is because zip ties are used for this tree, and I was not about to be trying to go back, take those zip ties off, and find other zip ties, and excuse the creak in the floor. Anyway, as you can see, there are earrings and jewelry on here, so I'm kind of using her to hang up my jewelry, as well as I have another spot that I put jewelry because I don't have a designated jewelry box. I don't have anywhere to put my jewelry, so you'll see kind of like what I have going on. Here's my vision board. I did realize right at the beginning of the video I had some things on there that I had to take off. So where you see the empty spaces, those are where things go that I'm going to put back up once I make this video. Then here, this stand just holds most of my makeup, the bulk of my makeup. So as you can see down here, there's a pair of shoes there. I hauled those shoes. I got those shoes during the summer. And over here, here's another pair of shoes. Why I put these shoes on the side of this stand, I do not know. But as you can see, this stand holds most of my palettes, liquid foundations, and things like that. So if you want me to do a whole go through this thing and just tell y'all what I have, then please leave me a thumbs up, but I'm not gonna do that in this video. And then on top, I do have my perfumes and things like that. And here is my plug-in, and I just have my plug-in here because sometimes I don't like to plug it in because it overpowers the room and it gives me a headache. And then over here you can see my humidifier. I got that from a retailer on Amazon as a, for me to do a video on, and I actually do use it. Unlike, sometimes we get these things and we just get them for the purposes of getting something free, but no, that was not the case. And then over here is just some books, like books that I take notes in, books that I keep my bills in, and things like that. And the tape from the planner that Rich Roots gave me. So now I'm gonna stand back here. This is my little area right here that you can see kind of behind my videos. And this right here is my favorite spot in the room. And I usually sit in this chair right over here to the right. Now this is a new addition right here. I just got this yesterday for Valentine's Day, and let me open this up. In here my watch is charging, and that's just my battery charger for my camera, a pen, and a lighter. P got me this stand yesterday because I'm always going into our bedroom, nabbing, taking the other stand when I want to do some work, and I have another stand in here that you'll see in just a moment, but most of the time I like to use two of them, so I'll just go in there and get that one. So here is just this little picture I got from, see, I should take this off. Look at that. It's just tacky, But I got this from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. It just says faith. It does not make things easy, it makes them possible. Luke 1:37. And then over here is a desk. And this desk, I forget where it came from, but P was just determined that this desk could not be thrown away. So therefore this desk is in here. And it houses some of my babies that P thinks that I need to move somewhere else. But they are fine right there. They are not bothering anybody.
It came from the Jewish synagogue.
Okay, let me try this again. This desk right here came from the Jewish synagogue. Can you get out of my business? P thinks that they need to come off of there because they are not aesthetically pleasing in the video. But oh well, they're my videos and they're staying. And then down there is just some candles, Bath and Body Works candles. I'll zoom in so you can see those. Yeah. All right, and then up here is just a little picture. This picture belonged to P. I left it in here. Most of P's stuff that I could take out of here when this room became mine. I tried to get rid of it, but you know, sometimes you just have to leave some things. This is just a mirror I got from TJ Maxx. I love how it looks because it has those blocks as if it's a window. And then this chair right here, and it says Queen Boss Teacher because P knows who I am. I'm the queen, I'm the boss, and I'm a teacher. All right, so now let's go over here to this area. And then this area is where I do my makeup, not get my makeup done, I do my makeup. But anyway, so this is the other stand I was telling you about. And most of the time this stand just holds my MacBook when I'm over here and makeup or certain things I'm gonna use. And over here, this just a little stand. And as you can see, you see where my earrings are because I don't have a jewelry box or an area for my jewelry. So the earrings just sit there. And here are my lights. These are the lights I use. Like I said, I don't have like umbrella lights or anything like that, so I just use these lights. And as you can see, these are necklaces, my necklaces and things that are housed here because I don't have, once again, a jewelry box. I'm not gonna say that again. Necklaces are over there as well. And then here's another one of those stands, just like the one from over there. And on top of it, I have some lipsticks. And this bag right here pretty much holds my empties and like new things that I have not put up. So I do have an empties video coming and some new things I want to show you guys. All right, so right behind me, this stand, I'm gonna move this chair out of the way. So right behind me, this stand is what you see when I do record my videos. And this stand, I think P got it from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so let me try this again. All right, so this stand, I think P got it from Hobby Lobby for me. I thought it was so cute. I love the rustic look about it. And it just houses different things, like up here on top, it's a picture frame, a jar, and a cup I got from Dunkin' Donuts. And then here are just some like flameless candles and things like that. And this right here, I think I got this from my mom, I'm not sure, but it's like an infinity stand. And then over here, I just got this for Valentine's Day from a student. And here's my other camera and the other microphone. And back there are just some mini Perp and Prime sprays that I need to use. And here are some brushes. Some I use, some I don't. I have an excessive amount of brushes and I need to get rid of some of them because I found the brushes that work for me. So all these other brushes, they could just go. And then here, let me see what's on this glass. Yeah, this glass has my initials. This stand just contains some pencils and things. And this is a cup that kind of has some lipsticks and things like that in there. And then some things down here. And then here is my vanity area and my brushes, the main brushes I like to use. And then my color corrector is just about gone, guys. I really have to get me another color corrector. And look at this. So anyway, this thing right here just houses like facial products and of course facial products, but facial moisturizers, concealers, things like that I use on a regular basis. And here is my ring light and then my stand. And then back here are some more lipsticks and things. And this prop right here, this box, some headphones came in here and I just use this. I just use this to prop up my mirror and things like that. So yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is my room. Oh, and here's my chair. And I just like to have something sitting in the seat. So this blanket is just like a thin little piece of torn up, worn out blanket. All right, so yeah, let me give you one more 360 of the room. This is my little area in the house that is totally mine. And when we do buy a new house, because we do plan on buying a new house one day, I will more than likely keep all of these things and do some extra stuff to my room. I mean, like, cause I want to paint, but I just don't want to paint in here because we have talked about buying another house. I mean, I was against it, but you know, whatever Pete wants to do, I'm fine with it as long as I don't have to do too much packing and we can get some movers to take care of everything. So, but anyway, this is another 360 of the room. This is my little space. Oh, and the last thing, this little table right here is in the middle of the room. And here's just a little picture. I need to put some candy in that little dish. And then down here on this first shelf is just some cards that I've been given, and then at the bottom there's just like one of those little renews it things. So yeah, that is my room. And like I said, once again, this spot right here is my favorite area of the room. I love this little spot right here. So yeah, that is it for this video. So if you enjoyed my room tour, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you would like for me to go through my makeup collection and show you guys what I have as far as palettes, lipsticks, perfumes, and all that kind of stuff, then please do give me a thumbs up and let me know, and I will crank that out for you. Thank you guys so much for coming to check out another video. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and share it across all your social media sites. Until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one.